Welcome back to the show. This is Primo, and today we have very exciting news. For the first time in our studio's history, we're going to actually have people in-house live sitting down recording a show, and I'm really excited about it. But to do that, I needed some chairs. So Downix was awesome enough to have something that works for me. I like that exotic feel, so I wanted to have that real Lamborghini interior feel to it. So we're going to show a little bit of assembling this chair, see what it's like, and at the end of it we're going to get you a link so that you can buy a chair just like it and look as cool as we do. So check it out. We'll be right back. Put together. Feels right. Alright, so that's it. The Downix chair is a gaming chair, but it looks, I love the little diamond stitching that we have on it. Diamond stitching chair, very comfortable. Does have a very good feel of that Lamborghini race seat. Has the racy here. Does have a headrest so I can put behind it and kind of support it. But I don't know, maybe me, I'm used to sitting in so many Murcielagos and Diablos that I'm kind of used to this kind of hard-edged back. It does adjust, so it has like a tilting option to it, and also has a reclining option, so you can recline the back or tilt the whole body of the chair back. So I was really happy that the armrests will go up and down. It really seems like it's made for kind of a bigger person though, so that's why I have it completely up, and I have them real tight on my sides so they look really good. And obviously we can put on the big old cans like so and be ready for a great show coming up, and I'm really excited. So I hope you guys are excited too. Check out the link for this. We'll have a link in the description as well as on our shop page, so you guys can pick up a chair just like this for yourselves. Love the brown, but it does come in a black with red. We might end up getting a black with red stitching too to go with it, because that's kind of my favorite interior when it comes to both Ferraris and Lamborghinis. So no, who knows? We'll see what happens and things. So thank you guys for checking it out. If you're looking for some other cool stuff, we got these other videos over here, and we got all this other fun stuff that we always check out. So yeah, check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you soon, and that's it for today. Have fun. Bye.